Hi friends, today we are going to continue the classes. Previous we have discussed the how to add the to do and how to toggle the to do. Now today we are going to see the remove to do and edit to do, like modify the to do. First we are going to see the how to modify the to do. For that I have already sent the dispatch method in the props in that in the to do list. In the to do list we have like destructure the to dos and dispatch, same like again I have passed the dispatch method in the each and every single to do through props. In the to do.jsx also I have destructured this to do and dispatch method. Here we have used the previously for toggling the we have used here on change, like there is checkbox method. In this on change dispatched the type column toggle and payload. We have passed the to do.id using this id only, where using this id only here the toggle case here it is changing like it is making the completed as a true or false. If you want to see that output, I'm going to run the application npm run development environment. Open the browser, localhost column 5173, localhost column 5173. Here, if you see here, lorem ipsum add to do, and one more marvel stories add to do. If you click on this button, see it is taking like a line through. It is a completed, this to do is completed. If you click on this again, it comes to the uncompleted, means it is taking the completed. We have written the completed column true, completed column false. It is taking, if you click on this, it will taking the internally completed column true. If you click on this, it will taking the internally completed column false. Using the dispatch method we have did in the dispatch method we have passed. Like that same we are going to use the dispatch method for the edit also, like modify update also. Here how we are going to do here, if we click on this, we are going to take one more state here, edit comma set edit comma set edit. Here use state of false. By default it is false, edit mode is false. When it is false and edit is false, we are going to show here one input for modifying the value column to do dot content or we can pass like a to do dot content, or we can take the separate one more state here. I'm going to take content comma set content equal to use state of to do dot content. I'm taking like this. I'm passing here to do dot, instead of the to do dot content, I'm going to pass the content on change of e to event. I'm updating the content e dot target dot value. and is one more is to do dot content, to do dot content. When we this edit will be triggered, when we edit will be changed to the true here, not on change, on click. If we click on here, if we click on this button, it will be changed to true. For that to here I'm going to handle edit, handle the edit in the here I'm remove this console, this here const handle edit of, I'm taking the arrow function. If first condition I'm going to pass here, when the to do dot completed, when the to do dot completed is equal to false only, I'm going to edit. Equal to false only, I'm going to edit. Or you can take directly like this also, or you can take to do dot completed only, false only, I'm going to edit. If you see here, lorem ipsum, if you add, why it is not taken, I think due to this I have made a mistake. I'm going to complete this. First I'm going to complete this one, later I'm going to show when this it is changed. When the to do dot completed is, when the to do dot completed equal to false only, I'm going to do. For that you can write like this also, or you can write directly also, equal to false. If like edit equal to true, if edit equal to true, we are going to perform the dispatch. We are going to perform the dispatch. What we are going to perform here in this dispatch, same like here. How we are perform the type equal to toggle, like same like type equal to edit, we are going to perform edit, I think. If you want to more proper here, come here, copy this one and paste here, and action, sorry, not action, payload. Payload means data. To do dot, not here, not to do, content I'm going to take. Content. Here also I'm going to pass one more thing. Content dot trim. Okay, not required. This one. Not required. If you want to pass, you can pass one more. One more means what? If content dot trim function, I'm going to remove the spaces. Content dot trim function, like it should contain some content. Content means it should contain some data. That in that case only, false, I think. Okay, not required here. This one is required. Okay, dispatch. We are going to write dispatch. In that dispatch, I'm going to pass type and payload. Type is, we have edit, comma, payload is content. Here, if else case, here in this edit not equal to else case, we are going to set edit equal to false, or make it as a some, we have already discussed this previous state, or you can make it as a previous of not of previous. Set edit, I'm making as a previous of not, means like it is a previously it is false, means it will make it as a true, and if you previously it is true, means it will make it as a false. And one more thing here, uh, okay, you can remove this one, not required, this else case is not required, directly it will want, we want that state will be first time it will be, first time it will be changed to false. Actually first state it will be false. If you click on the if you click on this edit button, like if you click on this edit button, it will changes to the true, like it first it is a to do completed only, to do completed equal to false only. If you click on this, it will not comes to the this one, it will not goes to this one, it will first work with the this, like it will execute this one. Set edit is equals to previous of not of previous, means it will makes the uh, true. After entering the some content, like if you want to modify, you can modify it. After modifying this input, you can click on the this pencil button. I'm going to change it here also, write the conditional rendering for that. Edit, mm, those are pencil for true, this one for false, this one. If you see, if you go to the browser, see, if you want to see, render this lorem ipsum, click on add button, use state is not defined. Okay, due to this, okay, now we can render lorem ipsum, click on add. Why it is checking? So that I have did. Okay, forgot to save. Forgot to save, that's why it is like taking ipsum, lorem ipsum, click on add button. Okay, this is there. If you click on this edit button, see, it is coming like this. We have to do some classes. We have to write some classes here. After here, where background is transparent, BG transparent. If you see here, transparent, and outline none, and border none. See, okay, right. Take the border to, no problem. Okay, but rounded corners, LG, rounded corners, and some padding, some small padding, P1. Okay, here only take the padding P1, P x-axis 2, and P y-axis 1. It will compare. I'm going to change content color, just gray 900. I'm going to increase the font with semi bold. Okay, okay, font with semi bold. If you want to change here, I'm changing here uh, lorem ipsum toggle. Okay, if you click on this pen button, it is coming like this. Why it is not going, whether it is changing or not, how to see? If you click on this again, okay, it is going. And it's, oh, we we did here, but we have to modify here also. One small thing I have missed here. After completion of this, after completion of this, where we have to write here filter, like not here we have to write the logic here. State dot map of each and every to do to do dot id equal to action dot okay, here we have to pass not content. Now content also we are going to pass, but in the payload we are going to pass id also. To do dot id comma content also to pass here. Okay, action dot payload dot id, if this equal, it will go into to do's comma where here content of action dot payload dot id, action dot payload dot, sorry, not id, action dot payload dot content. In that other cases I'm going to pass just to do. It is the logic of close. If you click on this run button, okay, it is taking lorem ipsum to do. Little bit I'm going to increase the gap. It is that did you have taken flex 4? Okay, flex gap of 2. Okay, I will write class of cursor pointer. Here also class of cursor pointer for showing the hand symbol. This, if you click on here toggle, if you want to remove this one and show. Like again, it comes to, if you want to change here, Marvel stories is powerful. We can change entire powerful stories. Powerful series. Okay, we can make a series also. If you click on this one, see Marvel stories is okay, mistakenly. Marvel stories are powerful series. Okay, see if you click on here, it is completed phase. If you click this, it will not allows to modify it. Why? Because of we have I'm going to explain here this one here. In the here we have written the condition, like condition or restriction for to do that completed equal to false only. In that case only we are going to make allows to modify. If it is if it is in the completed means to do that completed equal to true means we are not going to allows the person to, like allows to other here code to modify this to do each and every to do. If you want to see here, I'm going to console.log of to do. I'm going to show the each and every to do. If you want to click on this, see id here to completely is true, here true, here we have given the false. In that case only we are going to allow us to modify this one. If you want to, once again I'm untoggling. Untoggling means I'm making is a completely equal to false. If you click on this one, if you want to remove this one, if you click on this one, see again completed column false. In that case we are going to edit it will comes to the this, it will not execute this one, this statement is will not execute because edit is under the false. If you want to show that one also, I'm going to show console dot edit to show this here also. First, not this one. Okay, first, okay, remove. First, I'm in the this here. For this, if you click on this, see, edit is false, edit is false, this one is false, and completed is true. Edit is false, completed is true. We want only untoggled. I'm make it as a completed is equals to false. If you want to click on this one, see, if you want to click on this one, it is allows to edit. It allows to not edit, it will allows here this for if loop, if condition, not if loop, if condition here, it will goes to directly here edit set edit equal to priv of not of priv, it is returning the not of priv, means it will making the true here, true to false here, true to false, or false to true. Here doing that condition is doing the true to false. If it is previous is true, it is making as a false, previous is false, it is making as a true, like this it is doing. But after here you are doing some changes. Instead of the series, web series, making as a web series, I have written here web series and click on this pencil button. Here change it to the this one. Change it. This text is changed. We have like we have like that to do that complete is equals to false. To do that complete is equals to false, and edit is true. Edit is true, and it is going to the content dot trim. Content dot trim means content is there here. That's why it is satisfy this condition and is going to the dispatch function. It is going to the dispatch, it is calling the dispatch function, and it is going to the this reducer, this reducer function, and it is going to the map state, that state of state dot map, and it allows to change the condition here, like that it is going to perform. One more operation is delete operation. If we click on this button, which button, this trash box icon, it will going to delete. For that, it is simple only const handle delete, const handle delete of delete of. Here also I'm going to write the condition for completed dot sorry, not completed dot, to do dot completed equal to it is not required here. Here it is not required. We are going to actually my goal is to like same like how we are going to edit it here. If the to do dot complete equal to false, like that I'm going to write. But for deleting not required that thing, we are going to directly dispatch dot dispatch. We are going to directly call the dispatch dot dispatch function using the type equal to here delete, and we are going to must and should pass the id, to do id, which id we are going to pass, to do dot id. Using this to do dot id only, here we are going to identify here same like on click of handle delete, this where it is here to do remove. I think I have used the remove function. Remove, remove, remove. Here we are going to use the filter only, dot filter of to do, each to do, here getting to do dot id not equal to, here to do dot id of not equal to action dot payload, in that case Here to-do.id not equal to, okay, leave it this like this. I'm going to explain the how to delete to-do works in the internally. Go to the browser here, open app.eraser.id. It contains the three to-dos like I'm drawing the here to-do one. It is a to-do two and to-do three. Three to-dos are there. I'm going to name it also for identification purpose. One, to-do one, two, three. These are three to-dos. Three to-dos. If you click on the to-do, what is the logic here? If you click on the to-do for delete, suppose I have written delete here also, and this is a delete button. Suppose this delete button. This is a delete button. If you click on the to-do, second to-do to delete. Suppose it is a web browser. Consider it is a web browser. These three to-dos are there. In this, first to-do, this one, second one to-do, and third to-do. If you click on the delete button in the second to-do, this automatically this second to-do will dispatch the one action called remove. The type is remove, and it will goes to the with the payload of second to-do like ID of 2. In this, what is the logic performs here? Remove in the remove case in the reducer. Here state that it is going to first filter the each and every to do. When the ID got matched, here, I have written the reverse. What when the ID is not matched, that will going to filter. Filter means that will going to allows in the state actually. If you take here, three to dos are there, and I have I have clicked the second to do to delete. In this, what happens? Output will gives if that in the not of that action dot payload is actually two. We have did the two second to do want to delete that one action dot payload is two. We have defined already. But to-do.id is comparing first to-do. It will comparing the first to-do. Okay, that condition is satisfied. Not equal to action dot period. That's why I have written the one. And second to-do. It will comes to second to-do. It is condition is false. Why? Because of I'm here satisfying want to not equal to. That's why I have it is not allows in the array. And the second third one to-do.id is 3. It is taking the 3 and action.payload is 2. Condition is satisfied. It is going to allow the here and it will return the this new array to the state. That is the output here we are getting where in the web browser. You see Spider-Man, Spider-Man stories. Three things are there. If you click on the second one, if you click on the second one, it will delete the second one. Delete means it will filter the remaining, except that except the second one, it will going to filter the third one and three. That is the actual logic of the remove, like delete to do. Go to the browser. I'm writing the Spider-Man stories are marvelous. Let's see. If we click on here, this button deleted. Now one more lorem ipsum. Ipsum is wonderful. Wonderful. Add button. Delete this one. Deleted. Like how instead of this, logic is simple, man. to-do.id in accept that id, which id we are like which id we are clicking on. Actually, if we click on the trash box, it will get a some id. What id it will get? This id, like to do lorem ipsum id. Accept that id, we are going to we are going to we are going to filter in the filter only. Actually, it will take accept that id, like I'm making as a accept that id, not of that id, not of that id I'm making here. Instead of this, here if you take 1 2 3, 1 2 3 elements are there in the to dos. if you if you click on the first to do, like first to do, if you click on the trash box, if you click on the delete, first to do, if you want to click on the delete, instead of that id, logic is to, instead of that id, remaining ids it is going to create here state dot filter. Instead of that id, we are going to delete. If you click on the second to do, if you supposed to click on the second to do in the delete button, instead of that, instead of the second instead of the second 1 and 3 we are getting. If you click on third, means instead of the third we are getting the 1 and 2. Like this it is logic is performed like this. If you take like lorem ipsum is okay. If you take Marvel stories, I'm taken here. Another one is Spider-Man stories are powerful. Add. If you click on three things here, if you click on here this one, here in the backend it is called the, in the remove button, it is called the action dot payload get the, like second instead of the second remaining it will be delete. Instead of the sorry, so instead of the second remaining it will be taken as a filter. Only that only say 1 and 3 will be 1 and 3 will be there, not 1 and 2. 1 and 3 will be there, 1 and 3 to do will be there. That id will be deleted. Actually, that actual logic is that one. First time it is complicated, while practicing it will be easy for you. In the edit also same, like in the edit also, if you do one or two times, and everyone has its unique, everyone has have they have the unique like ideology. So if you think like edit, we can do like this also. If you doing like, if you practicing these things, you can get the edit and remove these things easily. That's all, friends. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel, and support my channel.